Hello, Abba ma'am. How are you? It's so wonderful to have you today. How are you
Hello,
doing?
Barkha. I am well, and it's my pleasure, Barkha. It's very sweet of you to remember that, yes, I am there always with you, behind you, walking with you. And yes, I feel very proud.
So, are you ready to get some creativity presented on the screen? The game called Metaphorical Makeover. I'll be giving you a
Okay.
concept of a situation related to transformation, and you'll have to give a fun twist or a metaphorical makeover to it.
Yeah, okay, I'll try my best, Barkha. That's interesting.
Okay, so let's dive in. Our first concept is butterfly transformation, like we have all heard of. We all know the classic story of the caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, right? So, how would you give this transformation a modern, quirky look, like twist to it?
Okay, I think every time the caterpillar turns into a butterfly, he'll get into a FOMO. There's so much new that's happened while I was working to become a butterfly, and the metamorphosis took so long because the world's changing so fast. The papillon would want to go back into sleep again, or we'll get into insomnia because there's so much more to learn. So that's, I think, my take on it. We cannot afford to, become a sleepy caterpillar. We need to be very agile now.
Connecting it with yourself and just giving it a twist is beautiful. So, if we talk about beauty, since childhood, we have seen Cinderella. We imagine her makeover in today's world. What do you think?
With Cinderella, it's okay. She can continue to wear her bouffant gown, or she could wear a little black dress. But then I would want her to be more assertive. So I would tell, if she hires me as a godmother and the image consultant, I said, Cinderella, you need to be assertive and
Amazing.
believe in yourself. It's absolutely okay. Don't feel a victim. Just accept people and situations. Stand up for what you have around you and make the best out of it.
I'm sure with your advice, she'll be great now. So, turning lemons into lemonades is your next concept for personal growth.
Very strangely, I've been doing this all my life. हमारे ज़माने में there used to be a Fido Dido. He was the mascot for 7 Up. It was Fido Dido who was always getting so bored, staying upright, that he would turn upside down. And another new word that I say is Nimbus. Those drinks. And it always reminds me to make the best out of all the lemons that life gives me. The lemon is still going to be good. Sometimes too sour, sometimes a little more sweet, or sometimes a little salty, but the lemonade is going to be good.
It will definitely beat the heat out there. Of course, we always have those sweet smiles to overcome everything. The classic hero's journey often starts with a character, like going from zero to hero. We interpret this journey into a humorous or unexpected way.
I actually, Barkha, if I can just go a little on the contrary, I don't see any humor in being a zero, because the zero is so important. Shunya hamesha important rहा right? Where in all the signs that the world stands on, it's shunya. So it is such an important point to be a zero sometimes, where the zero will make you a hero. And that's the time where the best out of you comes in, and the best in you comes out, and you do make yourself a hero. Much more than the learning and success, there is learning and failure, and that's your own strength. So zero se hero is a very, very important journey a person can walk through.
Don't know why and how you always manage to put these words together, and you always inspire me a lot. I mean,
But I
truly.
hope I'm not cutting out on the fun that you were
No,
looking
I
for,
mean,
but
for me, wisdom is fun. Next concept we have is phoenix rising from the ashes. The phoenix symbolizes the rebirth and renewal. So, how would you give this metaphorical concept a modern twist?
if rising again from the ashes, when you rise above, you are a different you, totally evolved individual. So if I were to rise again from my ashes, I would want to be more assertive, because somewhere I'm walking towards being absolutely an epitome of assertiveness. Some that's very close to my heart. So when I rise again, people should find me a different dynamic me, more assertive, and yet ready to take on more challenges and move on. So, unstoppable is the word. I would want to rise again there. Unstoppable.
Our situation, extreme makeover, home edition. Okay. How do you apply this concept to personal transformation in a whimsical or unexpected way?
Okay. Why do we even do a makeover for the home? It's because we want that newness. Change the colors of the walls, the wallpaper. We change the setting of the furniture. We get new curtains. So why do we do it? If we understand, it's a whimsical yet a very honest need for you to feel a newness in the space that you live in. The same applies to us. So when we are looking for a transformation, sometimes the situations tell you, listen, time for you to change. So that makeover comes in from within. It's an honest request from your you inside, the self inside, that change me. It could be the way you appear, it could be the way you start interacting with people and relationships. So that's what I look at as a makeover. As if it's the universe telling you, listen, just get up and change.
And adapting to that change is really important. Like knowing is one thing and just working towards is really important.
Getting into a change and then accepting it and just being the change that you want it to be. That's how it works.
So wow, all these insightful lessons we have learned is a cherry on the cake. Thank you
Balka.
for
Thank you so
playing
much.
along and bringing so much joy.